Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here, that journey chick on Instagram. You guys know that because I always say that. Anyway, today I'm going to do a flip through of Amazing Loom Knits, this book that was gifted to me by one of my subscribers. This book is by Nicole, and I understand she does a lot of patterns for knitting board. How cool is that? So I have not actually myself gone through the whole book, but I thought we would go through it together. So let's, I don't want to, read the introduction. I'm just blown away by all of the things that you can do on the loom. Now here's this first hat. Oh my God, so cute. This was called Winter Ashanka. You can do this on a loom. Now how in the world, I don't know. It's Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick, which was, I just came back from Joann's buying yarn, and that was on sale. I didn't buy any. Then the first one that I'm going to make, I've already shown you guys this one, the Forest Pixie Hood. Isn't that gorgeous, that red? Well, here's the yarn that I picked out to do it with. It's not a solid color, but it's Heartland, Lion Brand Heartland. But I thought that would make a very gorgeous forest pixie hood. Yeah, I'm liking that. And that's plenty for that pattern, 251 yards. It only calls for 197 yards of a 4-weight worsted. Yeah, this is premium acrylic. This is going to work really well for the scarf. The only thing and the loom that I'm going to use with that pattern is this one right here. I've added the two things, I've ordered the two things that go on either side. It was $10 plus $5 shipping, of course. I had to order it directly from Knitting Board, but I could have done this on the small gauge flexi loom, but I wanted to invest in this loom because I really like it. So what else is in here? Okay, here's a really pretty autumn gathering scarf that requires a worsted number 4 weight. That's very long, this scarf. Oh my goodness. I like the colors that they've done it in here. I'm not crazy about fringe, but that would also be something I could do as well on this particular loom, should I get inspired to do so. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we could make these ear warmers. They're not full hats, they're just ear warmers. I like those a lot. Let's see what that takes. Let's see what I would need for that. I'm sure I have it. Or we could go back to Joann's for more yarn. Yeah. I only went into Joann's to buy this. Came out with 2 bags of yarn. I know. I'm a sicko when it comes to yarn. So this is going to be a large gauge flexi loom project, or the large round, and it's a number 4 weight yarn. Huh? On the large? No. Yeah. I think I might move that up to a 5 weight. I don't agree that. I don't know. Here's another picture of them right here. Do you think I should do it in a 4 or a 5? I don't know. Those are awfully cute. We've got plenty of time before winter rolls around again. Now look at these. These are called Wonderland Wristers. Very cute. It's always nice to have some of those sitting around your house during the winter. That's really cute. Just, you know, fingerless gloves. Oh, this hat, horseshoe lace hat. I've got to make this hat. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Worsted weight, number 4, merino wool. Well, we're not going to use merino wool, but look at that pattern. Oh, it's beautiful. I love that pattern. I probably would make it into a slouchy. Beautiful lace stitch pattern. I love lace stitch patterns. That's gorgeous. I don't know if I'm going to do that in a solid though. Oh my God, it's so pretty with a ribbed border. Aero lace leg warmers. Now, I'm not a leg warmer person, but I'm going to show them to you. Leg warmers. I don't think so. I think we're going to pass on the leg warmers. The 80s have passed us by. Was that leg warmers? The 80s? Oh, now these tulle socks are awesome. What would I do that on? DK weight number 3. Oh, that would be super fun to do. What kind of loom? Oh, this kind of loom here, 40 pegs. I could do it on this one right here. 40 pegs. These are the socks. How cute are they? Super cute. Now, they're not leg warmers. They're actual socks. I like those. Another level. I love the level. Confident beginner. Are these all confident beginners? Okay, so this hat it's advanced. Of course I want to do the advanced hat, and I will do it because I'm a confident beginner. Oh my God, a crossbody bag. Look at that. Look how cute is that? First of all, whoever took the pictures for this book did a fantastic job, because that picture is amazing. With that sun shining on the bag there, anything would look fantastic. I've never made a bag. Wow. The Ross Farm Heritage and Rare Breed Fibers, 100% undyed wool. I have some wool stuff that would really be pretty. Oh my goodness. Ooh, eyelet shawl. Shawl. Did I say that right? Shawl. Shawl. That's very pretty. I'm not a huge shawl person, but that's cute. Eyelet. Now, I'll bet you that's advanced. Let's see. Nope. Confident beginner. Okay, I can do this. I feel like I could do any of this, right? That's super cute. Super cute. I don't like that it's in white, so I'd do it in a different color, but very pretty. Oh, look at that hat. Fair Isle Toque. I like that hat. Yeah. I think I would even like it with the little scrunchie at the top, or the, what do they call those things? Those little balls at the top of the yarn. I don't know what they're called, but it's super cute. And I do know how to make those. I've made them a couple of times. This is calling for a number 5, bulky weight. So cute. And I'm crazy about this Gothic lattice hat. I like it, but I guess it's probably the yarn I don't like. But the hat's cute. I'm not a gray person. No, not at all. Isn't this book amazing? Okay. Intermediate level. I'm probably not going to make that. Oh, that is super cute. Pocket scarf. Coming Up Roses. Pocket scarf. You know, these are not hard to make. You just fold over the ends. But look how cute that is. The pocket scarf. With the rose, look at the little roses. I could do that. Super cute. I like that. that I could make that to match the Red Riding Hood hat that I want to do. Oh my God, I love those little flowers. That's for a beginner, not the confident beginner, just beginner. Oh my God, visor cap. I have to make this. Sleuth Hound visor cap. Oh my God, look at this, guys. I've got to make this. I have to. I love that. I absolutely adore that hat. Oh my God. Number 4, Lion Brand Vanna's Choice. I actually have plenty of that. So cute. What loom? 3/8, which is this one, 80 pegs. So once I get the extensions, I can make this hat too. I've got some loom knitting in my future. Look at these lace socks. Aren't they adorable? Oh my God. So cute. With her little dress, lace dress that she's wearing. Now this one, oh my God, you guys. Flutter Ascot. I don't even know where I'd wear that, but look how cute is that? It's like a little scarf that she's made these big bows out of. And these little, she's put these little pearls onto them. Oh my God, super cute. Oh my God, mittens, mittens. Oh, this is cute. A drift cowl. I like the colors on this one. Isn't that pretty? A drift cowl. So cute. And that one you could also, you need to go up to 88 pegs, which would not be an issue. Oh my gosh. So, oh my God, look at this Flourish tote bag. Now, I don't know about that, but how cute. Red and white tote bag. That is adorable. It's for the confident beginner, so I could do it. Number 4 yarn, worsted weights, winter white and bright red. Ooh, I don't know. 3/8 inch, 60 pegs. I could do that one on here right now. Nope, not yet. Cocoon cowl. Oh my God, that is adorable. What? I don't even understand this one. I got to show you this one, guys. This is really weird. Okay, so that's the front of this cowl. Now let me show you the back. So weird. This is the back of the cowl. What in the world? Not my thing. Not my thing. I mean, where would I wear that? It's a hybrid of a cowl and a vest. This accessory can be dressed up or down. It has unusual construction made up of 3 triangles and a cable accent recessed in pearl stitches. 2 final straps are added to the back position, pulling it all together. Nope. Nope. Maybe next year. Oh, now these I love. Convertible mittens. Oh, I will make these. Look how cute. I've got to have these. I love these kind of mittens where they fold over your fingers when you go outside. Love them. Love, love, love them. That's a beginner pattern. Number 3 in mocha and red. That is so pretty. That's a large gauge, around 24 pegs. So you could do that on a round loom. So, Lismore Woven Infinity Shawlet. Okay, that's the one that's on the cover, this one here. How pretty is that? I would love to be able to do that. Can I? Yes, for the confident beginner. What do I need? Because I love this. They made it with Plymouth yarn, homestead tweed, Aran weight 4, 90% wool, 10% donegal. I don't even know what donegal is. Linda, help me out. What the heck is that? Is that some kind of sheep or something? I don't know. but that's pretty. 2 skeins of pale moss tweed on a 35 peg 3/8 inch loom. So I could do that one on here as well. More leg warmers. We're going to skip the leg warmers. There are, look at this. The Gansey Beanie. Oh, there are some Loom hats in my future, guys. Woo, look at that one. How pretty is that? And I'm going to look just like that when I wear it. All young and beautiful. Yeah. Nope. Nope. That's a beginner pattern, but that is adorable. What kind of yarn was that? A 5 weight. She used, they used Line Brand Scarfy. 3/8 was 80 pegs. Okay. Argyle Mittens. Oh my gosh, I love those too. Look at the Argyle pattern. So cute. So cute. I love this book. Polygon shawl. That's pretty cute. Blue Bayou Cowl. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that cowl. I like that. She made that with 1 skein of blue steel, 1 skein of Bayou, Cozy Colorworks worsted weight merino, number 4, on a 3/8 inch peg over 80, 3/8 inch peg spacing loom, over 88 pegs. Really super cute. Oh, so many cute hats. Oh, ooh, autumn welted torque. Oh my God, I love that. It's a beginner pattern. Look how cute is that. I like that. I like that yarn too. Lion Brand Landscapes yarn. I have some Landscapes yarn. Worsted weight number 4. Landscapes yarn. Where is my Landscapes yarn? Probably in the other room. I have that though. Oh, I like that. How many skeins? 2 skeins of the Desert Spring color. I don't think I have that color, but I've got some other ones that are that color. Now these are on a roll mitts, so they're just like over your arms, these things here. And then the rest of the book is loom knitting stitches and techniques, which is super cool because they give you the pattern for each thing here. They give you some different ways to cast on, binding off, she actually walks you through the different stitches. This book is amazing, guys. How to yarn over, how to E-wrap. And then she gives you the, not only does she give you the stitch, she gives you the symbol for the stitch. This is what you need when you're doing a pattern. This is loom knitted. I loom knitted this. And this yarn is amazing. So this, guys, is such a great book. Lots of loom knitting in my future, but so I'm going to start off with the Forest Pixie hood in this Heartland color, Lion Brand Heartland. And then I may go to that hat that I really loved, this one, the Sleuth Hound Visor cap. Yeah, that's a must. What was that again? Because I just love that one. Oh, it's going to go over the 80 pegs. Okay, that was the Lion Brand Vanna's Choice worsted weight number 4. And then a skein of the wine color. Oh, I have a beautiful skein of wine color yarn. Well, guys, who wants to loom knit? Thank you for sitting through this little video on this book. Amazing loom knits and fantastic even for a beginner. There's beginner patterns in here. There's advanced patterns in here. So guys, take it easy. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I am resting today, drinking some water, went to